Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia and this is Heart and Hand Creations and Events. Guys, I just wanted to come in and share another video with you real quick before Saturday's video, which will be a requested video on the mannequin dress forms. And right here, I just wanted to share with you some of the things that I had mentioned that I was doing while I was not in the loop with you all. These things are from last May all the way up to the current time. And believe me, this is not even everything. So guys, sit back and relax. Enjoy this video as I had enjoyed making these creations. And I will see you all in the next DIY video.